Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. So we have another unboxing here. It's gonna be something interesting, I think. So we'll see what they are. I haven't been doing much long videos lately. I was a little bit busy at work, so by the time I go home, it's uh, rest time. It's very tiring sometimes. Right, it's just a little bit busy at times at work, but uh, we survive. Like every day is a new day. Here we go. It's very secured. Wow. I know you like this one, the ones that collect this sort of coins. Here we go. Right. All right, here we go. It's a lot of it. I didn't realize that they put it in a nice coin holder. So it's gonna be hard to remove, I think. Oh, how did he manage to seal it? All right, I have to remove it one by one for it to show you then. Right, here we go. Just give me a second. It's quite difficult as not as I expected it. So it's another thing. So I don't know if I can show it properly, but yeah, anyway, this is just probably a short video. So these are all Indian head pennies. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, all 14 of them. Ranging from the start is 1860, I think, and then up to 1927. So these are the Whittier's penny. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of it. Very nice. I can't show you much. I have to remove it one by one. But this is the interesting ones that I will show you. So this is the 1860 Indian head penny. Oh, here we go. 1860 Indian head penny. Why it's special? Because the other uh, Indian head pennies, they are all bronze. As you can see, they're all bronze. This is 1889. It's a bronze one. But this one is copper nickel. It's a copper nickel Indian head penny. The earlier ones are made of copper nickel, but the later ones are made of bronze. And this is the earlier one, so it have a better value than the other ones. It's 1860. Nice, very nice. I think this is my first one. Although I have an 1864 one, but 1860, I think this is my first one. And aside, I mean, look, it's a lot of Indian head pennies. I think I also have 1864 in here somewhere. I better have just have a quick look. It's 1864. No, it's 1897. It have a nice grade. Nice grade as well. Here we go. Oh, we can remove it one by one then. And this is 1898. 97, 98. What's this one? Oops, sorry. Oh, this is the 1864 one. Nice. Very nice condition. So my other one's not as nice as this. Very nice. Look at that. 1864. Oh, I can show you all, I guess. Okay. 1880. Nice, nice. Very nice grade. I'm happy I bought these coins. I actually won it in the auction. There's another bidder, but I did persist, or I did insist I want this one. 1884. It's a little bit bent. Is it bent? Yeah, it is a little bit bent. Here we go. What's this one? 1887. Also good quality. Very nice. Nice buy. See, this one is 1889. Wow. I think it's the grade is high. Oh wow. Okay, 1900. It's dark. Very nice. Nice grade. I don't know if this 1900 have a different color, because some are reddish, some are brownish, and some are dark. I guess it's one of those special ones, eh? Now this one, 1901. Wow. Very nice grade, all of it. Wow. Very happy with this buy. 1907. Nice one. Very nice. I have two more. Two more coins. 1901 with a lovely patina. Wow. 1 cent. Lovely patina on this coin. Look at that. Very nice. And this one. 1903. Also a nice grade. Very special coins. Very nice. So this one is the Whittier's penny. I think the Whittier's penny starts from 1907. So what year is this one? Honestly, oh yeah, 1927. So this is the last one, eh? Because the auction says it's 1860 to 1927. So this is the last one, I guess. We'll start with this one. Maybe this is the earlier versions. Oh, 1916. Nice grade as well. Nice grade. And this one, 1913. 1903? Oh no, 1913, yes. 1913. I think it's Philadelphia Mint. Here we go. This one is 19. It's another 1913. I think it is another 1913. Mind you, I'm wearing my glasses, but it's still hard to see. 1912. It's in a rough shape, but I mean, it's a old coin. 1910. Very nice. Oh, I think the Whittier's penny starts with 1910. Is it 1910? Oh, I have another Indian head, 1906. Nice grade as well. Okay. So this is 1917 S from San Francisco Mint. Nice shape, nice condition. 1919. 1 cent. And this last one is 1920 in very nice shape, very nice grade. Wow, look at the patina, very nice. Wow, okay, here we go. We got lots of nice coins here. I'm sure someone would would like to see these iconic coins. The Indian had penny and the Whittier's penny, and of course I'm very happy to have them, especially this one. Very nice shape, 1860. I don't know how much this one go, and let's see. Okay, 1860. 1860. Where is it? So it had varieties. Oh, sorry. I was looking at the other screen. It had varieties. They said it's from $10 up to the highest grade is, oh wow, okay, MS67 is 12,500. Wow, 12,500 for the nice MS67 grade for this 1860. Wow, very nice. I don't know what grade is this one, but certainly it's a nice grade, as you can see. Wow, awesome coins. Thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. I hope you like them. I like them very much. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.